Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we will be comparing the Chicco Keyfit 30 and the UPPAbaby MESA infant car seats. Right off the bat, it's important to note that the MESA has a slightly higher weight capacity. Let's go over what they have in common. Each car seat weighs just under 10 pounds. The MESA and the Keyfit 30 each come with a removable infant insert for newborns. Both carry handles are made of durable plastic. The MESA's includes an easy release button, and the Keyfit's handle has an ergonomic design. They each have seat fabric that is removable and machine washable, and both of them have 5-point harnesses. They both have extendable canopies to protect your infant from the elements. The MESA's stays put a little bit better and additionally has an adjustable headrest. If you want to create a travel system, both car seats can be attached to select strollers directly or with separate adapters. These car seats both include bases for easy installation. They're actually very similar in design, but have just a few minor differences. Both bases allow you to adjust the recline leveling foot with 1 or 2 buttons and check it with a level indicator. They each have lower anchor connectors that you can pull out of the base to install it. With the MESA, the lower connectors are self-retracting, so once you install it, all you have to do is push down on it and the base will tighten itself. With the Keyfit 30, you have to pull the latch release lever to loosen the straps, but they connect in a similar way. Then, just make sure to manually pull the strap to tighten. In terms of installation, both car seats can be installed without their bases. They each have an American belt route with 2 side clips. In terms of price, the MESA is more expensive. It retails between $300 to $350, and the Keyfit costs $200. Overall, we love both of these infant car seat options because they both have super easy installations. The MESA is just a little bit more luxurious and has a couple more convenience features, while the Keyfit is a little bit more basic. Thanks for watching. To shop these infant car seats or any other products, go to babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping over $25. To learn more about the Chicco Keyfit, click here. And to learn more about the UPPAbaby MESA, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next.